What's up, guys? Just doing some amp repair today. I figured I'd share this with you guys. This is one of my old 2013 model BRX2400.1D Hifonics amps. I actually got this one used. I have another one that I've had for a while. It's been great, but this one actually worked, but I took the cover off because, like I said, I had bought it secondhand, and the caps are out. I already desoldered them, but it had quite a bit of bad caps. The amps worked, but you can see the puffed out caps, and actually one of the large rail caps actually blew. Didn't short, nothing shorted, luckily. So ordered some new caps, so we're gonna get those installed and put in. These are bipolar caps that are really hard to find, and they're actually in good shape, so I'm not gonna change those out. So this is just a before shot. And I want to thank Todd over at Ellensburg Amp Repair for helping me find these caps, because they were pretty hard to find. They're not a standard size that's everywhere. So, and if you guys ever need an amp repaired, I do this on my own amps, but I don't do it. But if you guys ever need an amp repair, check out Todd at Ellensburg Amp Repair. I'll put a link below. Real nice guy, very helpful, real knowledgeable. So there's a link below I'll put if you guys ever need a good amp guy. So he's who I trust. Really super nice guy, can't say enough about him. So alright, I'll take another shot after we get all these new caps soldered in and everything checked. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's about an hour and a half later and got all the caps replaced, soldered in. So now all that's left to do is secure them with some electronics adhesive so no vibration, you know, causes any loose connections later down the road or loose solder joints, and reassemble it. So if you guys are thinking about doing this yourself, I mean, if you're really handy and have a lot of soldering experience, it's still kind of a pain. I'm not gonna lie. So I give the amp guys props. So it is a lot of work. It's kind of tedious getting it right and getting all the old solder off and everything clean. So alright, well, let me go ahead and get this thing back in the case and we'll fire it up, and hopefully it's good and I did everything right. Alright, so we got it hooked up after soldering in all the caps, putting new thermal compound, putting adhesive on the caps to the board, and also the LEDs on these. Half the Hifonics didn't work, and these LEDs were out. So got those all working. Cool. And let's do a quick just dyno check to make sure the amp works. If you guys want to see the full dyno, I'll do a full dyno later of this amp. I just want to make sure it's working right now. Alright, and it's working. This thing should put about 8 to 900, so we're good. Nice. Successful cap replacement and LED repair. Alright, if you guys want to see the full dyno, it'll be coming up soon. Thanks, guys.